Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this yummy dry jalfrezi. I'm using beef in this recipe, but you can use any other meat of your choice. So let's get started. Here's what you're going to need for this recipe. It's a super simple recipe with very few spices. All we have is turmeric, paprika, chilies to taste, salt, ginger garlic and an onion. And here we've got our meat, potatoes which are going to be washed and diced up, oil, and the potatoes are going to be cooked or fried in oil. So the potatoes are going to be pre-cooked for this recipe. So let's get started. We're going to nicely stir this ginger and garlic in for a few minutes till it releases all its nice aroma. We're going to add the meat now to this dish and keep stirring it for a good 15-20 minutes. We want this meat to really brown and turn a nice, deep, rich, dark color. This meat is nice and brown now, so it's time to add our water and cook the meat. That really looks good and smells yummy. Our meat is nice and tender and cooked, so it's time now to add the potatoes. There you have it, a very simple dry jalfrezi, Anglo Indian style, with just a few spices. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you and see you in the next video.